not dey okay. I get my own car when I dey drive. I get my own house. I dey pay my own bill. So what you feel say? So
you go tell her say she dey go.
You will go.
With some money.
What do you think about male besties for inside relationship
and female besties?
Okay, and come again. Now, who get the bestie among them?
Most start with the woman. Woman, sure you dey good make woman get bestie when be man.
And she get boyfriend.
And she get boyfriend when she love.
Or she get husband self.
That will not work. It not make sense like that.
Why?
Because one day now, all those bestie me, they look at now people now guess where women they keep in case this relationship not work, they all continue from there.
So they reserve bestie.
The people they all keep.
Plan B. When the relationship where they get bestie.
Man life and woman not be the same.
Hey.
Man life and woman not be. Because man if you wake up now, if you decide to marry that bestie, join her second wife. But woman.
So you're telling me now?
Double standards.
No. Now what I say marriage not the work. Now what I tell now these things before now because the design of society design that's so it be. Woman not feel publicly talk say I get 2 boyfriend or 2 husband, but man feel talk am.
Yeah, that they do am now.
Exactly, polyandry.
For Nigeria.
I mean, there are some people that are doing it
in Nigeria.
Yeah. In some remote villages.
I never see him.
I been hear one story. Armed robber come house. They see woman. They see man. The man run, leave him wife. This case was brought before your university, sir. How do you handle that case?
He run, leave a wife.
And
the
woman supposed stay.
Why you go stay?
That was a matter of life. Protect now. Say the man
protect. You say man
protect. When the lions from outside they come,
the lion inside go stand. Protection not dey in that level now. It just be like say, as I dey here like this now me dey to protect everybody. Then if the crowd will come here to come, a lot of you will stand there. One not go run. I could die for you.
but we too, we make sure we bring food back home to you as
regardless of what we see outside.
Thank you.
So I can't verse for you. The day when you not bring food for me, I go verse for you. No, I not go verse for you. Now all this is a choice.
Oh, so make sure verse for you say you run when I robber walk by.
Okay, so make the kid man.
No, they just
two of them go face the armed robber.
No, because armed robber go quick get mercy for woman. That man are the best thing he do now wisdom. Armed robber go easy for her to pity woman than to pity man. So man will really get sense. Normal, if you get that chance to run because it go easy for her to shoot the man than to shoot that woman. Abi?
I know the armed robber. I don't know how you go do one.
For us, I mean Nigeria police question you.
I really love all these rules they are laying down. So tell me, what are the criteria to join your university as a lady, as a woman?
Mm-hmm.
How I fit join Gege University?
You just they take my lectures. Yeah, you practice them.
And go find work.
So you score me.
Go and work.
You won't score me. I won't get certificates or anything.
You know, my practical school, they will not they give. The only reason why, because that one they outstanding. Not be everybody. That one they very, very outstanding. Why? So it was if my university give you certificate, you know, say what you do really
outstanding.
Speaking about certificates, get one of your lectures when shake the whole Nigeria. Where you say DNA test is more important than birth certificate.
Yes. DNA test, they more important than birth certificate. Because you see the world of today now, many children not really belongs to their father because of this cheating of a teen now. So for a man now, I know say this picking at my own and the picking at my own are two different statements. So some people, when you say where they born picking, they call it also the picking resemble me.